We are celebrating our 15th anniversary and we have a lineup of events to mark this celebration. And what is happening here today, the free medical outreach, is one of such activities marking the celebration of the anniversary. So we felt the need to do this to give back to the community. I mean, what better way to say thank you to people? We know that people out there who desperately need to see a doctor, need urgent health care, but they're not able to afford. We've seen people come from, far and near, with Niger State, Kaduna. This is amazing, and it goes to show that there's a lot more that we need to do, in the healthcare sector.
This particular event has been made possible with our partners from near and from far. We have people that have supported this concept, supported this event by giving us drugs, consumables, also giving us cash. I want to give a shout out to some of the visiting consultants we have from outside Nigeria. These people have been able to do wonderful work today to make sure that people do come into these premises and they walk out with smiles.
Seeing them being attended to, there's a look of satisfaction on their faces, and this gives us great joy.
I got here this morning and I met a whole lot of people here, and I've been attended to. I met the doctor, I did some tests, and I was given drugs, everything for free. I really want to appreciate the management of Cedarcrest Hospital for this initiative.
There is a branch in Gwarimpa. Cedarcrest has a branch in Gwarimpa that is open 24 hours, 7 days a week. We have consultants and doctors who would see people, who are readily available to see people and then to take care of their health needs and health challenges.